Whoa.
And the kitchen and the bathroom look awesome. So those are very good features.
Coming up, these love birds are living long. But is it too good to be true? Stay tuned. It's all right there. I never write anything down. But my prescription, all those directions. I ain't have time for these. So I do everything. All
Are you
this
done?
to my medical
Come on, give us one more fake cop.
Check the interactions. He even told my doctor.
One more fake cop, come on.
Understand?
Oh.
Nothing is gonna get me out of the house, but not today.
You okay?
Yeah, we definitely need that bath now, huh? Yep, definitely need the bath now.
Are you
Come on, buddy, do it, do it. Okay. No more. He was pretty cute the first couple times.